How to manage which apps can use suggest stickers like Emoji, Bitmoji, or Mojitok on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now go down and then tap on Suggest stickers while typing. And then in here, you can choose Manage Apps. And from the list of apps, choose which app can make use of your suggested stickers while you are typing. So here we got Facebook, Chrome. So go down the list here and simply tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. So make sure you also turn on all the emojis, AI emoji, Mojitok, and any other sticker sources that you want to use. Here, if I go back to my text messages, and if I want to insert a sticker, I can type in the keyword, say, hey, and then tap on the sticker, and then you can just tap on the send button. And that's it. So that is how you can choose which app can use the suggested stickers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.